Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off an alarm on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or another Android-based phone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the clock app on this page. And now you want to select whatever alarm you want to turn off. So just select it from the list here, and you can just toggle it to the right if you want to enable it. If you want to disable it, just have it toggle to the left, meaning that it's turned off and it's not an active alarm. So pretty straightforward process. If you want to delete one of these alarms, you just would select it, and then you can select the icon that says delete, a little trash bin icon next to it, and that's how you would delete it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.